Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the SENIX 201 self-propelled gas lawn mower. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, online ratings, and early user feedback, and I'm going to break down whether this lawnmower is actually worth buying or not. Check out the link below for the best price. What makes the SENIX 201 self-propelled gas lawn mower worth its price is the 201 cubic centimeters 4-cycle OHV engine. That gives it the kind of power you want when you're dealing with medium to large lawns, especially when the grass gets thicker or the mowing job takes longer than expected. Instead of relying on a smaller engine that may feel strained in tougher conditions, this setup is designed to deliver consistent performance across a regular mowing session. The 22-inch steel cutting deck is another practical advantage. It covers more ground with every pass than a typical 20-inch mower, so you can work through a larger yard with fewer trips back and forth. That does not mean you can rush through the job, but it can make a noticeable difference when you're trying to finish a medium or large lawn without spending all afternoon behind the mower. Self-propulsion is where this mower becomes especially useful. The rear-wheel drive system helps move the mower forward for you, while the large 11-inch rear wheels provide extra traction and make it easier to maneuver over slopes and uneven sections of the yard. If your lawn is not completely flat, that combination can reduce the amount of physical effort needed to keep the mower moving in the right direction. The variable speed control also gives you more say over how quickly the mower moves. That matters because not every part of a lawn needs the same pace. You can take things slower around uneven areas or thicker grass and move more efficiently across open sections once the conditions are easier. Worth calling out too is the 3-in-1 cutting system. You can choose between bagging, mulching, and side discharge depending on what you want to do with the grass clippings. Bagging is useful when you want a cleaner looking lawn, mulching lets the clippings stay on the grass, and side discharge makes sense when you're covering a larger area and do not want to stop as often to empty a bag. The cutting height is also easy to adjust through a single lever. There are 6 height positions ranging from 1.25 to 4 inches, giving you enough flexibility to change the cut depending on the grass and season. That is useful because keeping grass at the same height all year is not always practical, and a quick lever adjustment is much easier than changing each wheel individually. According to reviews and user discussions, the overall appeal here comes down to having a mower that is built more for practical yard work than for being complicated. The steel deck adds a solid feel, while the self-propelled design and larger rear wheels make the mower better suited to lawns where a basic push mower would require more effort. At 79 pounds, it is also a substantial machine, so this is clearly aimed at someone who wants a full-size gas mower rather than an especially lightweight option. For medium to large residential lawns, the setup makes the most sense. It gives you the power of a gas engine, a wide cutting path, and self-propulsion for areas where pushing a mower manually can become tiring. The 3 cutting options also make it flexible enough for different mowing habits, whether you prefer collecting clippings or leaving them on the lawn. One thing reviewers keep mentioning about this type of setup is how much the larger rear wheels can matter when the terrain gets less predictable. With rear-wheel drive and 11-inch wheels, the mower is designed to maintain useful traction while you work across slopes and uneven ground. That makes it a better fit for a yard that has more going on than a perfectly flat patch of grass. So would I recommend it? Honestly, yes. If you are looking for a full-size gas mower for a medium to large lawn and want self-propulsion, flexible cutting options, and a wide steel deck, the SENIX 201 cubic centimeters 22-inch self-propelled gas lawn mower makes a lot of sense. Check out the link below for the latest deals and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews coming soon.